Yeah, it is true that the Indian government, Narendra Modi government, they has taken a major action or putting that in priority. You might be watching in news, you might be seeing somewhere on article, and that is very true. Like there are major 59 application. These all 59 application has been banned, right? And there are many comment that people are putting on their own behalf, like because there are many people, they were dependent, they were just creating TikTok videos, right? And they were generating a great business. Many business person, they were just putting ad through TikTok. So now these all people is gonna suffer, and these all people, they are having their own comment, they are having their own opinion. So first of all, I just try to read these all, and then I'll take to other opinion. Like many people, they are saying that it won't be banned, it is temporary. So after few days, people starts using, because being an impact of television news, as of now it is a recent news, so people would be adhering, people would be following. But after a certain days or after a certain month, people will start using that. But many of other people, they are also commenting that no, it will remain for always, it is for permanent decision. So this is a very recent, very new news. Let's see what's happen in future. But to be very honest, being Indian, we have to follow and we don't have to follow, it depends up to us how seriously we are taking that. So just I'm gonna read these all name. And the TikTok, one of the great brand, it has a great popularity in India, right? Many people, many a student, many professional, non-professional, they all were using this. Housewife, right? They were used to making a great video, showing it to the media, and somebody, they were earning money through that, they were monetizing their skills. It was giving a great opportunity. But from nowadays or today onward, you can say like we don't need to use it, right? It is really hard to believe, it is really unbelievable, like that popular app is gonna include it in that all categories. So TikTok, share it, oh my god, one of the great sharing, that it this application was also popular. It never requires any data, anything to share your document, and we were using, even I had that application. I used to share with phone to phone, I used to share with mobile to laptop. So this was ultimate anyway. But being in Chinese, it has been banned. Next is Kawaii. I don't know this app, but it was also okay. Oh, and UC browser. It was a browser that we use instead of Google browser, instead of other browser. And through this browser, we used to receive many message, many new update, many new article, many new thing happening worldwide. So we used to receive by this UC browser. So it was also a great one. Bandu Map, Shane, Clash of Kings, DU Battery Saver. This is also an ultimate. DU brand was great. It has many application, and I think this all category has been banned now. So it used to save the battery. It used to control some application, background activity, and by that we used to save our battery. Hello, likey, you can makeup. So by that you must be making some makeup using that camera, you are giving some effect on the picture videos. So that has been banned. Mi community is also closed. CM browser, I don't use that, but this is kinds of browser. Virus cleaner. So mostly most of people use that virus cleaner, put that we install in the mobile phone, and it keeps working inside. Its activity is to clean all virus from mobile phone. Next is APU's browser, number 15. Number 16, Rome V70, Club Factory. 18 News Dog, 19 Beauty Plus, 20 WeChat. Okay, WeChat is very big and very popular, not in India, but it is popular in China. The China use this app to connect with people. Other than the other application, they use that WeChat. It is also popular in China, but many of people in India, in other countries, they use it to connect with Chinese people and to connect with each other. So that is also a great chat version. There we can post chat, we can post videos, we can go live. These all things, these all activity is covered over there. UC News, yeah, same thing, number 21. So these are the series that I'm gonna tell, 1 to 21. 21 is UC News. So through that UC News, we keep receiving some notification, we keep receiving some news, some article. So that is also great way to receive news, but again it's gonna ban. QQ Mail, Wimbo, Gender, QQ Music, QQ Newsfeed, Bigo Live, Selfie City, Mail Master, Parallel Space, MI Video Call, Xiaomi. Guys, I think if we are gonna buy any new phone, we have to be alert because they are banning number 31. You can see in the series they are gonna ban MI Video Call. So for Xiaomi phone we are using, we have to be alert. Number 32, we sync. Right. Number 33, ES File Explorer. Oh my god, this is File Explorer, that is also gonna be banned. Number 34, Viva Video, QE Video Inc. May 2, Vigo Video. Oh, Vigo Video, it was also popular, Vigo Video. So it's also included in that category. New video status, DU Recorder. Oh great. Number 31, DU Recorder. So that DU Recorder, even I use it mostly because I used to love with this recorder. It records very clear and clarity okay. So still I am recording this video with that DU Cleaner. After that I might delete that. So up to now I am using that. Is great, a screen recorder when it comes to phone. So many people use it, right? That is DU Recorder. Next is, so in that DU Recorder we have many options, like we crop, we split, we joint, we give some effect. So now from now onward, today onward, we should not use that. 39, Vault Hide, I don't use that. Number 14, Cache Cleaner, DU App Studio. So this is also kinds of application that keep cleaning our cache space of phone. So many people use that. DU Cleaner, same, the DU product. DU is the famous one when it comes to phone. Many people use it. DU Cleaner, DU Browser. Oh my god, so how many product of DU? DU Browser, number 4, 1. DU Recorder, number 38, 2. DU Cleaner, number 41, 3. DU Browser, number 42. Browser 2 times. So there are 3 applications of DU, popular one that has been removed. Number 43, Hago Play with New Friends. Oh my god, again this is some video game. Cam Recorder, wow. Number 44, Cam Recorder, many people use that application. It is great, but right, we have to support India, so we should not use that now. Number 45, Clean Master. Again, Chinese, these people have many applications that is dominating the mobile phone application. Number 46, Wonder Camera. Wow, again related to phone. 47, Photo Wonder. 48, QQ Player. 49, We Meet. 50, Sweet Selfie. 51, Baidu Translate. 52, We Mate. 53, QQ International. 54, QQ Security Center. 55, QQ Launcher. 56 U video, 57 V Fly status video, 58 Mobile Legend, and one more DU application 59, that is DU privacy. Also guys, you can see here these all list. I'm just sharing here, so you can see this all list. If you are using in your phone, you have to remove it, you have to uninstall. I don't know how the government will gonna take action, but being an Indian, if you support, we have to remove it from our phone. Or it is very sad news for those they had made that as a career business, like they were producing a lot of money by using TikTok. Many influencer, many public speaking people I have seen, they are using this, or they are making a great business. So how you will manage it, you have to take care of these all application. But instead of that, I want to show you the many people, a statement, they are sharing their own opinion, how should it go, and how people are reacting with this. So I'm just gonna share somebody. There are so many statement people are giving. Somebody is supporting India, somebody is just asking that it's wrong because many people's survival were depending on it. So depends like in which category you are, we are, right? So just let me show some comment how people are commenting on it, right? See, what is your opinion whether the ban is a stay or just be there for few days? So this has been shared like in India, this is a recent temporary decision, or furthermore it would be removed, that will not remain further. Number two, also if the ban stage will be begin another employment crisis in India. Yes, so she's sharing like if this would be for permanently, this would be one another crisis of in India. What I feel is this is just a temporary ban that will be lifted soon. So guys, I think this is the opinion not by government or some generalist, like it might be for certain period. So after certain period, this ban would be lifted, so we can use again. And here many people opinion here, you can see here Mr. Anand Kumar, he's saying, hi, I think that before banning these application, one should know about the people depend on them as an employee and how this can be balanced out. What if those people are in crisis? So before doing anything, a list should be made, or maybe they should be given at least 3 months of salary. Oh, so here Mr. Anand is saying like without taking care or without thinking about the people, they are dependent on it, they are generating money from it, right? At least government should have given 3 months time, or if they are not gonna give, they should give at least 3 month salary. Isha Tripathi, she writes, PUBG is still active, just made 40 kills. Oh my god, she is enjoying. Next, Jyoti Balodhi, right? She is saying from Ghaziabad, these applications should be gone, and it can be the first step taken officially for boycotting China. Don't have any insights on whatever the ban will be temporary or not, but for sure if this ban is permanent or long term, alternatively and awarenesses should be avoided which can reach to large audience, giving them a new place to start. Yeah, so she is supporting India, she is saying it should be banned for permanently, or the people they're dependent on it, she's saying mercy, and she's saying like they should start something else. There are many other options, and yes, India will get another application. Anubha Maheshwar, she is saying yes Jyoti, thanks for sharing your view, right? Lakshajit Lakshmikant, right, he is a full stack developer, IBM India Private Limited, great company. His opinion is true, it might seem temporary, but such apps should be gone, especially the dustbin like TikTok. Oh, He's saying like, okay, it might be temporary or permanent, but these all should not be used. And he's also criticizing the TikTok. Obviously, many people, they are distracted whole day. They are putting their effort on TikTok. People are making business. Audience are squandering their time, wasting their time. Next comment. That's really hurting. Such people will never understand how much fun learning can be. Saga Kankle, stop all nonsense. Government are not asking, yeah, government are not asking your opinion. Support the India. Any war requires sacrifice. Yeah, so Sagar is having, mercy on people comment, but still they are saying like, here government is never gonna ask your decision. He has taken action, so we have to support India, right? And he's also adding that in any war we have to sacrifice something. Vishal Patel, engineer global service delivery, he's saying TikTok stars would say sacrifices their daily earning for war. This was they would question. Aditya Kulshrestha, mechanical design engineer at you know Tech Mahindra, he is saying this ban will be lifted soon because we have a group of people who will very soon start shouting for the right of country people. Many of the so-called TikTok stars will come on the road for it. For arguing, they will certainly come up with these things that India is doing big business with China, especially engineering materials, but they won't understand that these things will take time to be shifted to India and at helpful developing the nation, but entertainment apps are giving no benefit to India but revenue China. Okay, he's supporting also, and he's also giving a right genuine justification. He's saying one side like many people's survival is depending on TikTok. It has become a star, so those people, the category of people, they are earning a lot of money by this TikTok. They will show some protection. They might come on road, they might put some argue with the government, right? But he is also saying a very great thing like these applications are the region of entertainment in India. Many people are wasting time, but revenue finally goes to China. We are just wasting time. China is making more and more money. So very great example he has given. Next he is saying also we Indians have a mentality to choose foreign product over Indian. We feel proud of showing off our branded clothes and accessories to others. And if somebody is wearing tailor stitched cloth, he becomes poor in the eyes of others. First, we need to get rid of this mentality and anti-national people who just wants their entertainment even at the cost of nation integrity. Oh, very great. I am very much agree with Mr. Aditya. He has given very great justification, right? As per his statement, in India, if somebody is wearing Indian cloth sewed by some tailor, people consider them as a poor. So many people, they are supporting other country to show up their standard. They want to become more a standard, right? So we have to don't harm to our nation integrity. We have to think about our nation. Very good statement. Mr. Shiraj A is saying it feel like TikTok got penalized for being more popular than other. Yeah, I agree. The TikTok was getting more popularity. So somebody has said very well, like if something goes in a spike, it comes like anything like Bitcoin. It has given the same image. So his statement is okay. He is saying completely right. Like it was very great popular. There are dozens of other China investors state business, but TikTok was most popular. So there are many Chinese businesses, but TikTok was one of the great popular. Personally, I was more happy for the younger generation doing TikTok rather than following a stupid fake hate content on WhatsApp. Having said the anti-China sentiments would be hard to ignore at this point of time. Hope relations improve and business do not collapse this way, since India happen to be major market for most of these applications. So he is also one side saying like we are hoping that furthermore maybe the agreement will go on and it will start again. Gyanendra Srivastav, okay, SDE at United Health Group. Oh, his statement is it is too early to say whether it is permanent or temporary. Yeah, great. So nobody can predict like it would be permanent or it is temporary. Let's see what will be impact after this. Mainly people who are who were using TikTok will get affected since counts is very high of using it and they make money out of it as well, but it should be banned permanently because national security should come first. Okay, great. Like he's saying, many Indian generation they were just falling in love with these application. They were whole day putting their mind and wasting their time and putting their artistic mind, and he's also saying like it should be banned permanently because national security should come first. Yes, first national, then other things. So we have to care national first. So once these all things will ban, there would be some other application will be invented in India itself. On the other hand, we have opportunity to create alternative for these apps that will lead us towards yes. So one side it is a wrong decision as per somebody, but one side that is great opportunity for Indian. So many new things will be invented in India. We will be using our own made product. P. Suresh, assistant professor at Sri Venkateswara, his opinion is according to the past experience and dependency of US on China, Chinese made, it will be revoked sometime later. Okay. Arun Adwalkar, assistant support at CIRT. I think this will be temporarily. If continue, it will be an opportunity to create substitute app for user. Yes, he is also saying like this seems to be temporary. It is not for permanent. But if it goes permanent, we have a great opportunity to invent, to implement, to create some own Indian based application. Mukund Upadhyay, student BTech computer science, he has also great opinion. Ma'am, I think that this ban is temporary. As it is currently in the news, soon people will forget about it. He is saying it is temporary because it is in news, so people are just considering it seriously. But after few days, few months, we all and people will forget. 75% of the Indian smartphone market is dependent on China. Oh my god. So China is dominating when it comes to phone, right? So he is also giving a great justification that China is dominating. He is generating 75% of phone, a smartphone. So we are almost dependent. Solar cell still from China. Oh, he is just giving some reference about solar cell that belongs to China. It was my opinion. Thank you, ma'am, for this post. Yeah. So guys, you can see like these all people they have their opinions. So what do I get by these all statement? That anyway, this so many people they are just saying like this is temporary, it won't be permanent, and somebody is saying it will remain permanent. So again, just have a small glimpse, right? So these app we are talking about, it will be banned. Guys, see again, just keep an eye. This 1 to 59 app, this app is gonna ban from India. So going further, if you are just planning to post any video or make any video using TikTok, and or the share it, you can see DU recorder, these all things we have to just find some alternative. Now all Indian, they will be finding a great alternate option so that we can use parallel to these application. I know somehow we will feel, we will realize, we will experience some trouble, but to be very honest, at last we may find some alternate option. So India is not less important. There are many talent people remaining in India, so they'll not sit, they will definitely take advantage of this opportunity. So once these kinds of product will be launched in India, we should not go anywhere, we can use that. So thanks, I think this will definitely help you. Right, so here du. Yes, so I believe, if you have any question, you may type Google. This is the official news by government. Many people, they are aware, they are knowing it. The many people, they are not aware. They should be aware. So this list will definitely help us to understand which application and what application we were using, and now we have to find some alternate option. So without wasting time, if you are dependent on these all things, just dive into the Google it, find some alternate solution. Many Indian new a startup will definitely start, because India is full of intelligent, full of wisdom people, full of talent. So the things will definitely start in India very soon. And I think by hearing this news, many new companies, they must be taking advantage. I think they would start very soon. So we don't need to be panic, right? We have to wait. I think max a month or two, so that the company will gonna give you some message and we will receive some alternate option. And I get anything, I'll definitely share it with you. So just remember, these all app has been banned from today onward. It's an official news. So I think it will help you for sure. Right. So thanks for watching it. I would like your comment. What's your opinion on it? Thanks. Bye.